Is your Range Rover key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. For 2011, 2018 Range Rover models, including Evoque, Sport, and L405, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. These fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery, available for $2 to $5. The cost at a dealer is around $200 versus $75 for DIY. No reprogramming is usually required. Before starting, touch a metal surface to avoid static discharge. First, locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Insert your pry tool into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the two halves back together, ensuring a secure fit. Test the fob's buttons from a distance of 10 to 20 feet. Using high-quality batteries extends fob life. If issues persist after replacement, a dealer visit might be needed, costing $50 to $100.